friends, I'm here to talk to you today about division of labor. So what that means is division where you break up or you share, and then labor meaning work. So we're going to chat today about how businesses share the workload, division of labor. So for example, let's say I worked at a pet shop and I could hire 5 employees and train them on everything in the pet store. But honestly, that would take a lot of time and it would be very hard for people to be good at absolutely every job, like cleaning the floors or giving water and food to the animals or doing the veterinary care. So what I would do as the boss of the pet shop was I would hire these 5 employees, but I would teach them one part of the job. So maybe I'd have one of them be the cashier, and they would be able to help customers all day long. Maybe I'll hire the other staff member as the custodian, so he'll keep the whole shop nice and clean. Maybe the third employee is the veterinary care, and then maybe I have 2 people stocking shelves and feeding the animals. So that makes their job much easier because they only have to focus on one job, which means they get to be really good at it. And we call that specialization. So you're really good at that one piece of the job. And together, with everyone doing their own little part, we have a successful business. So let's look at a different business model. So let's say I want to go buy a skateboard at a store. So I go in and I pick the skateboard I want and I buy it and I take it home. So all I'm thinking is that store I bought it from made the skateboard and sold it to me. But there's really a lot that goes on behind the scenes. And guess what? It has to do with division of labor. So what I mean by that is there's a lot of steps and a lot of people working together to make that one skateboard. So let's start at the very beginning. A skateboard is made out of wood. So I need to send a team of people out into the forest to cut down some trees to get the wood. And remember, with specialization, they only do that one job. So when they get back to the company, wherever the warehouse might be, they pass the wood off to someone else who's going to clip all the branches, clean up the wood, carve out that skateboard. But you got it, they have to pass it on to somebody else because that's only their one job. Remember, they're really good at it too. So then they pass it off to a team of people who paint it and make it look really beautiful. And then they pass it to another team to put all the nuts and bolts and wheels on it. And then they pass it to another team to inspect it, make sure it's good to go. And then they put it on a truck with a new staff member, drives it to the store. So as you can see, there are lots of people involved, but remember, you only have one little section or one little job that you're worried about. So you become a pro at that one piece. So this is what we call division of labor because you're sharing the workload with lots of people. And we also talked today about specialization, which means you work in one specific part of the job and you become really good at it. So I hope you have a great day and that you learned a lot about division of labor and specialization. Until next time, bye.